Hi, my name is Harshil Parekh, and I'm from Long Island, New York. I chose Xavier Medical School because one of my mentors and guides, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta, recommended the school, and upon extensive research, I found that it was a very nice program. I liked it a lot, and I decided to apply for it. So obviously, the faculty, other people who recommended it, talking to previous students, their experiences, everything, a compilation of everything, as well as the curriculum. So I did quite a bit of research. So it was not just one thing that I actually applied to Xavier right off of how my mentors recommended it, and after receiving my acceptance, I decided to go here, and I didn't really apply anywhere else. A lot of private loans as well as government loans to aid in my finances. The one advice that I would give would be, obviously with the new campus, it's going to be much easier for the students to stay focused, stay on track. When I was here, it was a much smaller school. So the program is quite rigorous. Not only the schoolwork, but you, like any other medical school, you definitely have to do a lot of self-studying. It's what's expected of a medical student. So it's no different from any other medical school out there. Xavier University helped a lot, not just the curriculum and the lectures, but we have a lot of clinical classes with Dr. Neelam. We have so many hands-on things that we do in the school, and it was definitely an overall positive experience, and I felt very comfortable when I left Xavier to go into rotations because I knew how to conduct a proper physical exam. I didn't really have to ask anybody anything, and a lot of my mentors in rotations were very happy with the knowledge that I acquired here. So the top three things, well, I mean, considering we have a new campus, I would definitely want to go here now. But no, the top three. So number one would be the faculty. Everybody really helped out whenever I had any trouble with any questions or anything related to the curriculum. Everybody would be available. Everybody would be able to help out. The second thing would be everything was very well structured. In the sense that classroom-wise, as well as the structure of the school, food was easy to get. And the third thing would definitely be other students. Everybody was there, and if you asked an upperclassman any questions, any concerns that you had, everybody was willing to step forward and give you the best advice possible. And it not only helped me in medical school, but I still talk to them regularly today, and it helps me during rotations. So I'm really happy that I made those connections.